Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make your presentation. You can use Zoom, and when you're in your Zoom account like this, you just click New Meeting and it will open a new meeting. Then you'll want to make sure that your video and your microphone are on. Then you'll want to share screen, whatever your presentation that you're giving. Here I'm pretending I'm giving a presentation about música. Then you'll want to start recording. So you click More, Record. Now it's recording. So I'm going to pretend I'm giving a few slides here. Música. Какую музыку вы слушаете? Я слушаю folk и rock. And then when you're done, you'll want to stop recording. So you'll go to More, Stop Recording. You can stop share. And then in order for your video to be ready, you have to end your meeting. And you'll see that it will pop up that it is rendering, converting. Depends on how long it is, how long it will take. So mine didn't take very long, yours might take a little bit longer. And then you can see here it's in Documents, Zoom, and then there's by date. Might be slightly different on your computer, but it will show you where it is. And then you'll want to upload it to Mediaspace. So I'm going to go to my Mediaspace account. It's mediaspace.msu.edu, and you already have an account there, even if you haven't opened it. So I'm logged into my account here, and what I want to do is go to Add New Media Upload. I have to choose a file to upload. I have to find it in the documents. I need to look for my Zoom folder. Here, where is it? There it is. And I need to find today's date and open this up. And I want to name it something like, I don't know, my presentation. And then you'll want to make it unlisted, I think is the best. And then you'll save. Then you can go to My Media, or go to Media, actually it goes to this particular one, and it takes a few minutes to process. How long it takes to process depends on how big it is. And then I refreshed, and now I see that it is ready, and I can click it, record. Now it's recording. I don't know if you can hear it because I didn't share the system audio, but I can hear myself and it's showing what's on my screen. And then what you'll want to do is go to share, and then get the link, copy this link, and then share that with your professor, or post it where your professor would like you to, or possibly embed it. This is the embed code, which would make it go directly into the page. So whatever your professor would like you to do. That's how you would make a presentation using Zoom and Mediaspace.